everyone, this is question 10.2 in the homework for this week. It's actually a fairly simple problem. The question is, Sunland Company borrows $93,600 on July 1st from the bank by signing a $93,600 7% one-year note payable. So the first thing that we need to do is figure out how much interest we're going to be paying on that. I have the formula for the interest right here. So you're going to have the face value of the note, which is $93,600, times the interest rate, which is 7%. So just put that at 0.07. Time in terms of 1 year. Now we're only calculating this for July 1st through the end of the year. So it's going to be 6 months out of the year. We all know that's half a year, but just for the sake of showing you how to do it, we're going to do 6 divided by 12 for the 6 months. And then we're going to multiply each of these times each other. So the interest equals the face value times the interest rate times the time in terms of the year. So in this case for 6 months. So our total interest for this period is going to be $3,276. The next thing that we need to do is go ahead and show how to journal that. And so with this, it's going to be cash is the first category. We're going to debit $93,600 and then notes payable is going to be a credit of $93,600. That just shows the loan that was taken out on July 1st. The next part of the question is to journal the accrued interest at December 31st. And so that is just the $3,276 that we came up with. Again, we're going to debit that to interest expense and then credit to interest payable. And that's all there is to it. Hope this was helpful. Have a great day.